Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining bot. This is for stars telegram, earning free stars telegram. This is our bot. The link will be in the description, also of other mining trusted bot, and wait for upcoming video for bot and telegram using script. This is our free mining bot for stars telegram, and this is my personal experience in this bot, like shown below. Simple, it based in doing the tasks. Let's open these tasks. You can do like I do, like that, and they get we don't open the task is complete. For starting a bot like that, I get 1 coin, 1 stars. Here you must join. I already joined this one. Let's get more like shown below. I already joined this one. Let's open. Let's open again. We skip. I do this task. We claim this one. Must start the task. We start the task. We skip. I already done. Now we click in claim. Like shown below, I added, this is for 2 stars. Must share. You skip. Now we open this bot, we join. We claim. We have 5. Now we start again. We collect like that. Now we go to multiply. There is a multiply option here. Like shown below, you can play and multiply your earning. I choose 3 point and I will. This is me, you. It means you. It's a spin, chance. It's all already free. You collect stars and you have a chance to win. Like shown below, I win 21 stars. Now I play again. Use 3 stars for maximum winning. This is me. Like shown below, 36 stars. Maybe have a chance to win 36 stars. This game of chance, this offer you, like shown below, it I'm not winning. We complete. We play like that. We collect stars and we play like that, and we get chance to earn the minimum. It's 15 stars to withdraw. We have a chance here. Chances are equal here. This is my personal experience, like shown below. I don't force anyone to join the bot. It's just for educational purpose, like shown below. If you want, at your own risk. There is no investment, nothing in this bot. You play for free. You join channel, you collect stars, and then you withdraw. Minimum withdraw is 15 stars. Like shown below. Let's see if I win. It's a game of chance. I don't win in this one. Let's try another. We use always the minimum. 3 stars. This is the red one. It put huge number of stars. It have the most chance. Maybe I win this one. It's a free game. Nothing like shown below. Like shown below, I don't win here. Simple, I get stars for free and I play for free. You can withdraw when you get 15 stars easily. Let's try this one. If I win, if I'm lucky. I don't win. If you go to withdraw, like shown below, I have, if you click in withdraw, we must have 15 stars to withdraw. Like shown below, 15, 25, like shown below. Let's do some tasks to get our 15. We click in claim. I already do these tasks. We skip. We open this task. We claim. We open this task. Like shown below, it's very easy. We return. We play for 3. Like shown below. Maybe we have a chance. It's simple. We earn easily. Like shown below. I earn. Let's do it with 5 stars. It's very easy and it's easy to earn. Like shown below. Like shown below. Must no. We try our chance with 5. Free game. It's free game. Excuse me. It's very simple. I don't have the chance. Let's try another time. We will use 10. And if you lose, it's nothing. You go to earn and you collect coins and you start again until if you want to withdraw. It's simple game and simple. Let's see. I wish to win. No. I don't win. Like shown below. This is how it's work for this bot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.